A disaster can strike at any moment, and when your system goes down, your business is on the line. The clock is ticking and every second counts. During the crisis, end users and customers expect immediate access to their data. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly recover files on macOS and keep your business running smoothly. Let's go to my screen and get started. From the Ahsay OBM home screen, click Restore. Select the backup set. Then select a destination where to restore your data from. Check the temporary directory and configure if needed. Then click Next. For the first scenario, let's say you'd like to restore deleted or missing files and/or folders to their original location on the macOS device. Before we proceed with the restore job, let us show you the actual deletion of the files and folder we're about to recover to better see how the restoration process works. Going back to Ahsay OBM, select the backup version. Collapse the directory, then select the files and/or folders you aim to restore. Click Next. As we intend to restore to the original location of the macOS device, keep the default selection and click Show Advanced option. Configure the settings as desired. For our example, we will use the default settings. Then, click Restore to continue. As you can see, the total number of files restored is 5, which matches the number of files selected, including files from the folder restored. To confirm, go to the directory where the files were restored to. We can now confirm that the files and folders selected were successfully restored to the original location. Moving on, I'll show you how to restore your files and/or folders to an alternate location on the same macOS device. Before we proceed with the restore job, let us show you that the alternate location we're going to restore to is empty. Going back to Ahsay OBM, keep the selection to the latest version. Select the folder to automatically select all the data in that folder. Then, click Next. Click Alternate Location, then Browse. Select the folder, then click OK. Configure the settings as desired. For our example, we will use the default settings. Then, click Restore. After the restore job, go to the selected alternate location to confirm if the selected data have been successfully restored. Open the subfolders. We can now confirm that the selected folder earlier has been successfully restored to the alternate location. And that is how to recover your files using Ahsay OBM on macOS. Very quick and easy. Don't risk losing access to your data and disrupting your business. Start backing up your macOS today with Ahsay for guaranteed protection against all types of data loss, including data corruption, human error, malicious employees, ransomware, and hackers. With our backup solution, your business can quickly recover and get back on track in no time, regardless of the disaster. That's why you should choose Ahsay. Your data is safe with us.